my channel Spots and Style. This is Manjushri and today's video is a Meesho tops haul. Now in this video I have included few tops which I have recently purchased from Meesho, and I have also included few accessories that I have purchased from Meesho. So without any delay, let's begin with the haul. So my first pick is this basic crop t-shirt. Now this is a very simple plain t-shirt, but it has the detailing of buttons in the front and it is a knitted fabric. तो इसका fabric काफ़ी ज़्यादा thin और काफ़ी ज़्यादा thick नहीं है. So इसको आप directly आप अपने seamless bra के साथ पहन सकते हो या फिर आप किसी camisole के साथ पहन सकते हो. But I think for summers you can directly wear it on top of your seamless bras. एंड इसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा आप स्टाइल कर सकते हो अलग अलग चीज़ों के साथ में. लाइक यू कैन स्टाइल इट विथ फ्लोरल स्कर्ट्स, यू कैन स्टाइल इट विथ मेश स्कर्ट्स विच आर ट्रेंडिंग दीज डेज. आप इसको डेनिम्स के साथ भी स्टाइल कर सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर इट ड्यूरिंग द डे एज वेल एज ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. दिस इज अ स्टेपल पीस टू हैव इन योर वार्डरोब एंड इसका आइटम कोड मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ऑन द टॉप हियर.
यहाँ पर मैंने इस टी शर्ट को स्टाइल किया है पेपर बैग डेनिम्स के साथ. नाउ पेपर बैग डेनिम्स आर इन ट्रेंड. मैंने इसे काफ़ी सिंपल तरीके से स्टाइल किया है एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ परफेक्ट आउटफिट फॉर द डे टाइम ड्यूरिंग समर्स.
Now my next pick is this ruch top. Now this is a crop top and it has bell sleeves, तो इसकी sleeve full आएगी. And because it's a ruch top, आप इसको adjust कर सकते हो आगे से. If you want to wear it very short, you can adjust it according to your requirement. And if you don't like to wear it too short, you can keep it loose. And उसके बाद आप इसको tie कर सकते हो front में. So I think it's a very beautiful top and the material is very nice. It's very soft inside. And आप देख सकते हो it's a very good quality fabric. So if you're planning to buy this one, go a size down your actual size. So my bust size is 34 and I picked up M as per the website, but this top is kind of loose for my bust area, so I did not wanted to go through the process of exchanging because it's really tiring. तो मैंने इसीलिए top रख लिया. But if you're planning to buy it, go a size down your actual size. एंड आई डोंट नो, अगर मैं छोटा साइज लेती तो वो शायद मेरे आर्म होल्स पर टाइट होता, इसीलिए मैंने इसको एक्सचेंज नहीं कराया. बट आई रियली लाइक द क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस टॉप एंड रियली लव द मटेरियल. एंड मैं इसको आपको पहनकर दिखाती हूँ.
यहाँ पर मैंने इस टॉप को फिर से उसी पेपर बैग डेनिम के साथ स्टाइल किया है एंड आई थिंक द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बेबी पिंक एंड ब्लू लुक्स परफेक्ट फॉर द समर्स.
This is how I styled it and I think it looks very classy, it looks very beautiful. I love the color and the price of this one was only $2.99. Now the next one is this mesh top and this is a purple top. इसमें काफ़ी सारे colors आपको मिल जाएंगे website पर. मैंने purple लिया because I really love the purple one and I also wore it on my birthday. And इसमें आपको straps दी हुई है for supporting. If you want to wear it with the straps, you can wear it with the straps or you can just leave it free. एंड अंदर इसके सैटिन मटेरियल है ताकि ये मैश आपको चुभे नहीं. सो इट्स अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल टॉप एंड आई थिंक इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल फॉर वेयरिंग इट ड्यूरिंग द डे एज वेल एज ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. आप किसी ब्रंच पे जा रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ या फिर कोई पार्टी अटेंड कर रहे हो, यू कैन डेफिनेटली वेयर दिस ऑन टॉप ऑफ अ जीन्स और अ जेगिंग. It looks very cute, very beautiful and you can go for whichever color you want. And इसका item code मैंने नीचे description box में दे दिया है and it's also here. And this is how it looks after styling.
So here I wanted to highlight the purple color, so I styled it with a dark grey colored denim and I think it's perfect for the summer.
Let me share the accessories that I picked from Meesho. Now I'm a big fan of wearing hairbands. I wear hairband to gym, I wear hairband to lunch dates and also during the day. Especially during the summers, I love wearing colorful hairbands and I mix and match them with my outfits. So this is a set of 3 hairbands which I picked from Meesho recently. And these 3 were in a set and the set was available only for rupees 203. Now this is how it looks. I think it's very beautiful for your basic outfits. It gives a pop of color if you're wearing plains like a plain black outfit or a plain white outfit or something which goes with one of these colors like blue, yellow or white. So I think it's a very nice hairband. I think this one is also very cute. It goes with almost all the outfit. It is going with my neon top and definitely if you are wearing any colorful outfit, it's just white and black, so it will go with most of your outfits. You can wear it in different ways. You can also like leave some hair strands in the front and then wear it. So I think these are really good for the price. Now I'm wearing this animal print, this leopard print hairband with some hair strands in the front. So this is just like a tiara for me. But it looks really beautiful, and if you are going for a party, you can wear it with your dresses. And I think it goes with every color. So yeah. Now the next one is this pink colored one shoulder top. Now this has a tube top inside it and then a mesh which is one shoulder. So it's a little complicated top, but it's very pretty. This is a Jenna Zubair inspired outfit, and I'm just gonna wear it and show it to you to understand how it exactly looks.
The top is slightly brighter than how it looked on the website, but I still love the color, and I also love the detailing of the mesh on the arms. It looks very pretty, and I think overall this top looks pretty and quite sexy.
So this is how I styled it, and I think it looks perfect for a clubbing occasion or for a date night. And I think if you can carry it, you can style it in different ways. You can wear it with leather trousers, you can wear it with skirts, and this was available only for rupees 345. Now coming to the last product in this haul, the last one are these oversized झुमकास. These are really huge झुमकास. मुझे oversized झुमकास बहुत पसंद है, and मैं काफ़ी टाइम से oversized झुमके सर्च कर रही थी, but I could not find something which is also light on the ears. So these are very light on the ears, बहुत ज़्यादा हल्के हैं, and you can wear them for longer hours. And just to give you an idea how big they are, so this is how big they are, and I think ये बहुत ही प्यारे लग रहे हैं. एंड स्पेशली समर में अगर आप कॉटन की कुर्तीज़ पहनते हो, बहुत बेसिक प्लेन से कलर्स पहनते हो, आप जस्ट ये झुमकास पहन लो एंड दे विल गिव यू अ वेरी नाइस फेस्टिव वाइब. एंड आपको काफ़ी एक्सरसाइज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप बस कोई भी प्लेन सी कुर्ती पहन लो और झुमका पहन लो. यू कैन वेयर इट फॉर ऑफिस. So guys, I personally love these earrings, and I'm definitely gonna wear them during the upcoming festivals. And the item code is mentioned in the description box below, and the price of this one was only rupees 199. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions or feedbacks for me, do leave it in the comments. And wishing you all a very happy Holi. Stay safe and enjoy with your family. And yeah, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.